Part 9 clauses 60 to 65 stands part of the bill.
Lawmakers convened in Parliament on Thursday morning to debate proposed amendments to the Banking Act, a move aimed at aligning the region's financial regulations across the Eastern Caribbean Currency Authority. The initiative seeks to strengthen the stability and efficiency of the banking sector while enhancing regional integration.
Banking Amendment Act and the Payment System Act, financial bills that we have to deal with because of our association as members of the East Caribbean Currency Authority, and that is basically legislation that has to go through all members of the authority.
The Eastern Caribbean Currency Authority is tasked with maintaining the stability and integrity of the sub-region's currency and banking system to facilitate the balanced growth and development of its member states. Prime Minister and Finance Minister Philip J. Pierre emphasized the importance of the day's proceedings.
Very important because I said members of the Eastern Caribbean Currency Authority, and that legislation is harmonized legislation that we have to deal with.
Ahead of the sitting of Parliament, Prime Minister Philip J. Pierre addressed mounting questions about the state of Saint Lucia's economy. The Prime Minister's comments come as the United Workers' Party intensifies its scrutiny, harshly criticizing the government over the high cost of living and dismissing the recent zero VAT rating of 70 grocery items as too little, too late.
The businessman will tell you that freight costs have increased substantially from what it was 2 months ago. We don't control freight costs. What we control is the price. And I've outlined what we've done as far as the price of goods are concerned. The price of basic commodities, no service charge, no import duty, no VAT. We've discussed with the private sector, and they've asked us for some time. So probably from the 1st of August, we intend to see a decrease because the VAT on these items would not be there on all the zero-rated items. And I've outlined the items where there'll be no VAT, where we expect. And the point is we're going to be monitoring it to ensure that the government's legislative agenda is carried on and the consumer benefits.
As the region moves toward deeper financial harmonization, Thursday's proceedings mark a key step in reinforcing the currency union's legal and regulatory framework, a move Prime Minister Pierre is hopeful will redound to the benefit of all economies of the member states.